back to this. This is called an APT. There's a metering rod in the bottom, and there's another secondary metering rod that goes right in that brass jet there. A lot of the guys, from what I've read, don't like them, but their purpose is to add fuel to the primary side. Now, this is the first Quadrajet I've seen with it, because most of them that I've ever worked on are older Quadrajets. And there's newer versions, and I imagine this is just a step towards the fully electronic carburetor they come out with in the 80s. So, a lot of guys don't recommend this carburetor, period. So, it's like everything, Quadrajet. If it works, don't touch it. If you think you got problems somewhere along the way, there's always an adjustment. So I'm going to put her back together, leave it the same as it was, and we'll see how it runs.